What's up everybody, JH10 Art here, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I draw my anime characters. First, start off with a circle. After I'm done drawing the circle, I usually move on to the mouth. What works for me when I'm drawing a character is I measure the distance between the mouth and the nose, and then I draw the nose. And right here, what you're going to want to do to help you out is draw the shaded area of the nose if the character has one. And this is going to help you out find out where the eyes go. If the character does not have a shaded area around the nose, then it's okay. Try to calculate the distance between the nose that you drew and the eyes from the reference you are using. In the reference I'm using, there's a small distance between the shaded area of the nose and the eye. So this is where I'm drawing a straight line to go upward. And the same goes for the other side. Measure the distance between the nostril and the eye. As you can see right here, there's a small distance between the nostril and the shaded area, so you go straight up ahead. Right here, I'm breaking up part of the shaded area and trying to pinpoint how high up I have to go for the first eye. After you're done pinpointing where the first eye goes, make a straight line going across. This is going to be the bottom portion of where the eye goes. And as you can see right here, this is the distance between the part of the shaded area and the eye. Right here, I am pinpointing where the bottom portion of the eye starts. You should be able to figure this out by seeing how far the distance is between the mouth and then go straight directly up. Since I already pinpointed where the bottom portion of the eye starts, all you have to do now is try to shape the eye. While I'm finishing this up, just vibe to the music. Now we move on to the second eye and repeat the same process as we did with the first eye, and people usually think that the second eye is harder to draw, but in reality it's actually easier. The reason for this is because now that we already have our vertical lines, all we have to do is use the first eye as our guideline and go horizontally across. Even in the anime, both eyes are not identical, so it's okay for them to not look exactly alike. And now that we pinpointed all the points that we need, all we have to do is try to shape the eye now. In the meantime, just vibe to the music once again, and I'll see you in a bit. Now that we're done with the eyes, it's time to move on to the eyebrows, and right here I'm pinpointing exactly where they go vertically. And now I'm pinpointing where they go horizontally. Remember to use the things that you've drawn already as guidelines. For example, the eyebrow matches half of the pupil horizontally. And now it's time to shape both the eyebrows. And for this instance, since it's Naruto, just draw a headband straight across. Now I'm going to clean up the drawing a bit. Right here I am marking where the side of the hair strands go. And you can figure this out by seeing how high up you have to go or how low you have to go with the shaded part of the nose. Now all you have to do is draw the side of the hair strands. Since we already drew the side of the hair strands, this makes it a whole lot easier to shape the rest of the head. And now I'm drawing Naruto's whiskers. And now I'm pinpointing exactly where the ears go. Now that we're done with that, it's time to move on to the headband. Right here, I am pinpointing exactly where parts of the hair break into a new strand of hair. You can figure this out by looking at your reference. For example, in this case, you have to go vertically up. The distance between the eyes will tell you where the hair breaks apart into a new strand of hair. Now that we have this done, try to calculate where the hair strand goes. Now that we have that figured out, it's time to move on to the headband. I did go a little too high up on the headband, so I'm going to lower it just a bit. And now try to form the hair strands to the best of your ability. It's okay for it not to be perfect because it's a process and we are all still learning. Now we move on to the neck, and as you can see right here, the side of Naruto's eye matches up with the neck. And the neck stops horizontally just a bit high up on Naruto's chin. Now it's time to draw the back part of Naruto's hair. Remember to do this at the best part of your ability. It's okay if it's not perfect, but remember to use the things you've drawn already as guidelines. By this I mean where to place certain things and where things start and end. Now that we have that done, it's time to draw the clothes. And for this, it's nothing too complicated. It all depends on the character you are drawing. I drew a vertical line going down because this is where the shirt stopped, as you can see right here. And now I'm just trying to form the clothes to the best of my ability. So while I'm doing that, I'll see you in a bit. Right now I'm just going to start adding details to make the drawing look better. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to smash that like button. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe if you are new, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It really helps out a whole bunch. If you would like to see me color this drawing for a coloring tutorial with markers, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.